Hey there, today we'll be talking about Sweden, the land of Vikings, minimalist design, and the world's sharpest meatball game, has given us way more than flat-pack furniture and catchy ABBA tunes. On this episode of Terry's Diverse Horizons, we're counting down the top 10 mind-blowing contributions from Sweden that changed the world. Stay tuned till number 1. It'll leave you questioning how you ever lived without it. Strap on your Viking helmets and grab your meatballs. Let's roll. At number 10, the zipper, Gideon Sundback. You thought zippers just appeared out of thin air? Nope. Thanks Sweden for keeping your pants up. Swedish-American engineer Gideon Sundback perfected the modern zipper in 1913, making buttons jealous ever since. At number 9, the adjustable wrench. Fixing stuff got way easier when Johan Peter Johansson invented the adjustable wrench in 1891. Before that, bolts just sat there, smug and unbothered. Thanks to Sweden, now you can pretend you're a pro even when you're just tightening a loose shelf. At number 8, dynamite, Alfred Nobel. Kaboom! Swedish chemist Alfred Nobel created dynamite in 1867. His invention revolutionized construction, mining, and ironically, peace, since Nobel later established the Nobel Peace Prize to soften his explosive legacy. At 7, the pacemaker. In 1958, Swedish engineer Rune Elmqvist and surgeon Åke Senning developed the first implantable pacemaker. Thanks to their teamwork, countless hearts now beat on like the world's most reliable Spotify playlist. At number 6, IKEA. Flat-pack furniture, Allen keys, and meatballs. Founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad, IKEA didn't just change furniture, it changed global culture, turning every adult into an amateur furniture assembler and part-time philosopher while doing it. At 5, Spotify. Before Spotify, your playlist was whatever your MP3 player could hold. Now, the whole universe of music lives in your pocket, thanks to Swedes Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzon. The streaming revolution began in Stockholm. At number 4, Tetra Pak. Your juice box says thank you. Swedish engineer Ruben Rausing invented Tetra Pak in the 1940s, revolutionizing food packaging with its smart, space-saving design. Shelf-stable milk? Sweden's got you covered. At number 3, Celsius temperature scale. Blame Sweden for freezing at 0 degrees Celsius and boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius introduced this intuitive temperature scale in 1742. Simple, precise, and globally beloved, except by the Fahrenheit folks. At number 2, the safety match. Swedish chemistry teacher Gustav Erik Pasch gave the world the safety match in 1844, ending centuries of accidental fires caused by old-school matches. Lighting candles has never been so safe. At number 1, the Nobel Prizes, the most prestigious awards in the world, created by none other than Alfred Nobel himself. These annual prizes honor global heroes in physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics, and, of course, peace. If you've ever dreamed of being called Nobel laureate, thanks Sweden for the title. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing Swedish contributions that literally shaped the world, from zippers to Spotify and dynamite to flat-pack furniture. Who knew a country famous for moose crossings could also cross so many milestones? If you enjoyed this video, give it a Swedish-style thumbs up and hit that subscribe button faster than you can say smörgåsbord. Stick around for more global gems right here on Terry's Diverse Horizons, where curiosity is always in stock and the adventure never flat packs away. Until next time, hej då!